Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we have another case of a very poorly installed dash camera. We don't know exactly who's the company. Customer had this installed by a company who promised him a great deal, good installation, and as always, as we see, unfortunately, the only thing they've done is trying to go to the fuse box. And with the fuse taps, that created a lot of electrical issues. In this case, it wasn't even a fuse tap. The customer had so many electrical issues, he actually taped it himself. But this was, he said that it was pushed behind one of the fuses with a leg, not even with the proper fuse adapter. Again, we've seen that many times. You get great deals on installations, but when it's not a basic vehicle, when you're talking about Mercedes vehicles and high-end vehicles, you want to have it done properly with the proper relays, proper triggers, proper everything. So we're gonna have a new camera installed in here, and we're gonna show you where we source the power, how we get the power to have to work properly, and it's not gonna be using a fuse taps. We'll see you in the next video. Okay, so we are completing the installation on the Mercedes E-Class. As we showed you that it was coming from another shop that did a very flimsy job with the wires to the fuse taps and everything. So we just wanted to show you what you get and what you should expect from a proper professional installation. So we actually removed the fuse box completely. That way we get to the source of the power, not the other way around. No chance of fusing coming out and having power issue. All our connections, as you can see here, are soldered. So something that you should expect when a proper installation. You don't have to worry about the wires coming loose, fuse sticking out and might fall while you're driving and losing any other functionality. In this case, we have found a true accessory connection. So we have the true accessory connection connected here. It's already taped, soldered, and we found the ground distribution. So we soldered our wire to the ground distribution here. But in most of these vehicles, if we can't find a true accessory, what we're gonna do, we're gonna find the ignition sense in here. So one of those wires that will trigger our ignition, and we use a proper heavy duty relay to get the power from the main power harness. So the relay is going to get triggered by the ignition, and by doing that you are preventing any overload on the same fuse or anything else, and any feedback. You're just going to the power here. We've seen fuse box connections by fuse taps that actually cause situation that a push button doesn't work and other electronics. So you don't want to do that. You're using a proper relay if you don't have a true accessory. We can actually have a video. If you check on one of the BMWs, we are showing how to test for a true accessory or for ignition sense. For more videos of how to install dash cams, subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.